Alright, so the next step we're gonna do is take off these little side steps on here. And as you can see, the bumper's dented in on this truck. It was like that when I got it. So we're about to start breaking it down. This is gonna be my helper. That's if he does any help. Take out both sides. I'll probably order a bumper next week. I had ordered a zone lift, but everything is on such a far back order that I canceled it, and I found a local shop in town, and he had a rough country 6-inch sitting at a warehouse like in Michigan or something. So we have that on the way. I'm not gonna put it on yet. Also today I just locked down some whales. Well, they're not actually whales, but they're billets, and they're 15 by 14s. So those should look really good. Probably end up replacing a lot of this front end work. A-arms, sway bars, pitman arms. Just try to get everything as new as possible. Alright, let's get started. Alright, I don't know if y'all ever taken these off. You could have, but if you haven't, it's just that bolt right there. And really, I guess they do have a Phillips head screw right here. And on this one, they have two, I think maybe like 10-inch. I'm not sure, but I'll let y'all know. Alright, so I'm guessing to take this front bumper off, it's gonna be these bolts right here. So I put some WD-40 on them. And it is a 18mm that you're gonna use. I had to use my 1/2 inch to break them. Cause obviously I don't think this bumper's ever been taken off. And I'll probably work them off with the 3/4, so. All right, we're gonna keep on working on it. All right, update. So we got the bolts out of the bottom, but now there's also bolts at the top. I'm sure some of you guys knew that. If not, you will have to take the grill out, and then these bolts right here to get this piece off, to get this top. So just want to show you guys that. All right, so we realized from the wreck that person had, it actually bent this bracket right here. Because if you notice, this one stands a little bit straighter, and that one right there is curved. This is the piece that was covering that up. So I'll probably go to the junkyard and pull another one of those. I just broke it to get it off. But right now, we just taking the top side off. Got this bolt, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it's 8 in total, 4 on the top, 4 on the bottom. And I have to pull the grill out. So we getting it, we rolling with it. All right, he trying to get him a couple strokes in. You gonna push it? You gonna take it off? All right, guess not. He want his glove back. All right, so since this bolt right here and this one are basically kind of like jammed in from the bumper, I'm just gonna pull it out with my truck. It might actually straighten that up some, but we'll see. See if this helps any. All right, guys. So you can see, top bolt, bottom bolt is like that on each one. So that comes down to 8 bolts in total. Like I said, this right here, from I guess whoever had wrecked it, I don't know what they hit, a pole probably, bent that piece of the frame right there, and also bent it right here. So I'm probably going to just probably try to take this and put it in there like that. I don't know. Somehow try to pull it out some, but we'll see. All right, I will conclude it with this because I'm just gonna put the grill back on, leave the bumper off until the bumper comes in, well, until I order it. Like I said, we got a 6-inch rough country on the way. I did initially order a zone lift, but right now this video is being taken during the pandemic and everything is on an 8 to 12 week back order. And I canceled that order, went to a local off-road shop. He had a 6-inch rough country at one of his warehouses, a couple states over. So I'm just waiting for it to come in. I did order some whales, so I'm gonna do a 6-inch on 15 by 14. They're like billet whales, but they're called billet specialties. I'll drop a picture in this video so you guys can see what those look like. And I'll probably run those on 33 Swampers. Like I said, I want to get everything under here all cleaned up and freshened up. I don't think, I've been trying it, I don't think the 4-wheel drive works right now. So before the lift is installed, I'm gonna have to get it to a transmission shop, get that 4-wheel drive working. We're gonna do the interior, and I'm having troubles deciding what color I want to go with. So in the comments, let me know, should I do black, silver, or like a navy blue? Also, let me know if I should leave the chrome on there or should I have that taken off and just do clean paint all the way around. So you guys let me know what you think, and to the next video, this is the build.